Hello everyone, welcome, and let's provide a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 3 raised to power square root of x plus 3 raised to power square root of x plus 3 raised to power square root of x is equal to 243 raised to power square root of x. So what is the value of x? Solution. So 3 raised to power square root of x. As you can see, 3 raised to power square root of x is common. So we can factor out 3 raised to power square root of x, so that we're going to have 1 plus 1 plus 1. You can see we have 3 raised to power square root of x here, the second one and the third one. So it's 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is supposed to give us 243 raised to power square root of what? X. Okay? So now we have 3 raised to power square root of x multiplied by, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. And this is equal to 243 raised to power square root of what? X. Okay? Now, as you can see, this is 3 raised to power 1. Okay? Now, 3 raised to power square root of x multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 is in the form of a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m, which we can express as a raised to power n plus what? Plus m. Okay? So let's express in this form. So that now we're going to have 3 raised to power. Now, since the bases are common, we are going to have 3 raised to power square root of x plus 1. This is equal to 243 raised to power square root of what? X. Now, 243 can be expressed as 3 raised to power 5. Okay? So we can substitute 243 with 3 raised to power 5. So that we're going to have 3 raised to power square root of x plus 1. This is equal to 3 raised to power 5 multiplied by square root of what? X. Okay? Now, since the bases are common, that means that if you have a raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m. That shows that the bases are common. A is equal to a. And if the bases are common, we just consider the powers. So you'll have n should be equal to m. Okay? So in our case, we are going to have square root of x plus 1. This is equal to 5 multiplied by x, which is 5 square root of x. Okay? Now, for instance, if you have square root of a plus 1 is equal to 5 square root of a, you just correct the right terms, okay? So that you're going to have 1 is equal to the square root of 5a minus square root of a, which is supposed to give us 4 square root of a. Now we are using this approach, so that now in our case, we are going to have 1 is equal to 5 square root of x minus square root of what? X. Okay? Therefore, we have 1 is equal to 5 square root of x minus square root of x. So that gives us, this is 4 square root of x. Okay? Now, to determine the value of x, we divide both sides by 4. So that we'll have square root of x is equal to 1 over 4. So what is the value of x? So we square both sides. We square both sides. Okay? So that we'll have, if you square this, we'll have x. This is equal to 1 over 4 squared. This is 1 over 16. Okay? So this is our value of x. Okay? So thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.